Hi guys, I'm Liz Vaccarello, the editor-in-chief of Real Simple. And today I thought we'd take a tour of how I organize my jewelry. I have lots of earrings, many necklaces, and dozens of bracelets, most of which I never wear. But I do like to keep all my jewelry out in plain sight, but also dust-free and well organized. So let's take a tour of some of the secrets to how I do that. For me, jewelry happens in the closet. It's all part of the same decision-making process for me. So I keep my earrings stacked in these flat container store organizers. I got them about 15 years ago, and they have perfectly sized squares for different kinds of earrings. Want to take a closer look? Okay, let's take a tour of this baby in the light of day. As you can see, they have different sized compartments. And I choose to hang my earrings off the little ledge that separates each compartment. You don't have to do that, obviously. You can just plop them down into the compartment. I choose to hang them so that I can, at an eye level, see what I'm dealing with in my dark closet. Here you've got probably my favorite quadrant. This is the round, everyday gold and silver spheres, a little sparklier spheres, the hammered pendants, gold and silver, that I had a pair of each, lost one of each, and now I wear silver and gold as a pair, and no one notices, or no one says anything. Some beautiful danglers that I bought off a stylist at a photo shoot that go nicely with a black turtleneck. A pair of earrings from Stitch Fix that I bought because I knew they were in style, but I had no idea how to wear earrings like this, and they sold them to me with a dress that they went perfectly with. And so I bought the dress and I bought the earrings, and I don't wear them with anything else. And probably my favorite pair of earrings for the fall are these gold leaf danglers. And one of my all-time favorites, this pair of handmade blue earrings that I bought to wear with a Michael Kors dress that I wore to the White House. Now let's talk necklaces. I keep these next to my shirts and my earrings so that I can try them on with the outfit in this little mirror I picked up from Kate May. Up here is a simple container store hanger that keeps my choker-sized necklaces, again, all in full view. Underneath the little mirror is a cute little drawing that Olivia did for me one Easter that I like to keep here because it brightens my day and makes me smile every time. My safari holder, thank you, Mom, for Christmas, holds my go-to longer necklaces, some of the babies that you'll see on me any given day, and this Kate Spade necklace that I never wear because it seems fancy and I don't know what to put it with, but I don't want to forget I have it, so I keep it out there. And down here we have some more occasion-specific necklaces, things I want if there's a certain vibe I'm after, maybe. Holiday necklaces and the like. But let me show you what I've done with my cuff bracelets. This is probably my most creative thing I've ever done. I got this giraffe, you can tell I love giraffes, this giraffe toilet paper holder from that Signals catalog, and I keep my cuff bracelets stacked on it. Doesn't work for everybody, but it works for me. But for my backup bracelets, I turn to the behind the door Umbra organizer. Yes, this baby holds every kind of bracelet I could ever want and ever need, and it's not buried at the bottom of some jewelry box so that I forget I own this lovely Kate Spade bracelet that was gifted to me, or this Ippolita bracelet, or any of my assorted hoop earrings.